Vehicle's upside down on the wood line. Sheriff's office, let me see hands! Let me see hands! Lay down! Lay down! Lay down!
On January 29, 2026 in Bunnell, Florida, the Flagler County Sheriff's Office recognized a man for his role in helping rescue an 11-year-old kidnapping victim. Authorities said the incident began on December 31st, 2025, when the man noticed a 60-year-old registered sex offender driving along US 1 with two boys in his truck. Suspicious of the situation and aware that the younger child had been reported missing days earlier, he followed the vehicle and called 911. Deputies later conducted a traffic stop and confirmed that the 11-year-old had been taken and was in distress.
591, where's the location of your emergency?
Yes, ma'am. There's a child with two kids in his truck. One's a runaway.
Where are you at, sir?
He's coming down US 1. His name's Darnell. He's in a four-door white Ford with a camper topper on the back, and he knows it's me.
Okay. And you said
Yep.
US 1. What's across street on US 1?
I ain't got no headlights. We're coming up to all these new subdivisions coming into Palm Coast right here.
Okay, that doesn't help me. Can you give me a cross street?
There's not a cross street.
Do you know which subdivision?
I just passed Old Kings Road.
Okay.
And the first roundabout. We're about to be coming up on our second roundabout.
And are you going southbound or northbound?
Yeah, southbound.
Southbound. Okay. And how do you know this person?
He's our neighborhood child, and there's two missing kids that's run away from out there, and he's got two teenage boys in the back of his truck.
Okay. Can you see the tag on his vehicle by chance?
Nope, it's all muddy as hell.
Okay. All right. And you said it's a white four-door Ford.
It's a white
with
four-door Ford. Yep. It's all muddy with a camper topper on it. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, it's Palm Coast Parkway is the next one.
Okay. Just tell me if he turns on Palm Coast Parkway.
Yeah, I know. He's just going straight.
And is he white, black, or Hispanic?
He's a white dude he's short with a rat tail.
Do you know his name?
Darnell.
Do you know his last name?
I can't think of it right offhand. Yeah, we're coming up to the second roundabout on US 1, southbound.
Okay. Can you give me a description of the juveniles that you saw in the truck?
I can't even think of his name. I can't even think of his name.
Okay.
But he's headed to Daytona. This is what he does. He abducts these damn kids, these troubled kids. He takes them, gives them, and then he'll take them here and take them over here. He's like a big trafficker or some shit. I don't know what he does, but I know he's a child.
Okay.
And I know there's missing kids out there, and I know a lot of the kids go over there. I know he's under investigation with the Federal Bureau right now.
Okay.
Yeah. But he's got two kids in his truck right now.
Red pickup. $10.26.
I gotta pee. You can hold it. Okay, turn around, put your hands behind your back. 214 Flagler! 214 Flagler, I got one running. Hey, stop the gun! Come on, girl. Hey, ready up!
Sorry, all units 10-3 given. 214, where's your last?
Right, at the 214, the teenager just took off in the white truck.
Who took off my truck? I'm good. Who's got my truck? Who's got my truck? Who's got my truck? Who's got my truck?
Give me your hands. Possible kidnapping charges.
You got me.
Put your hands behind your back
there. You got me.
Juveniles
you
Bishop.
got me. I will cooperate. I will cooperate.
Juvenile took the truck as Dwayne
I
Bishop.
can't.
behind your back.
71410.
I can't do that with this.
71410.
I can't. I can't.
Sir, put your hand on the ground.
They told me to give you. You got my hand.
Yes, I got your hand because
He
you grabbed
said
my gun.
No, I did not. I felt
DOT.
All right.
Southbound towards Royal Palms.
All right, you got me.
Ready?
Yeah.
Give me your fucking hand. Don't do anything stupid.
I'm not. Who's got my truck? Who's got my truck?
Good.
Can y'all help
Roll
me?
over.
215 West Street.
Can we get up? I got a kiss. I got to really kiss.
Hey, aggravated assault on LEO.
Can we
You
get
grabbed
up?
my gun.
Okay.
We got ag assault on Leo.
The guy
with
that's driving
with
the truck.
Who
southbound.
took off with my truck?
This can be Dwayne.
Roll over.
Whoever was in your car, you retard.
I'm trying to get up.
Sit up.
Okay, I am. I am not
Stop.
fighting y'all. I'm not fighting y'all. Help me up. Help me up. Help me up. Which car we get in?
Signal 4, signal 4, signal 4. You going? Take a seat, take a seat. Vehicle's upside down on the wood line. Sheriff's office, let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Lay down! Lay down! Lay down! Spread out on the floor! Spread out on the floor! Who else is in the car? Who else is in the car?
Pull the trigger. Pull the trigger.
Stand up, come to me now. Turn around. Turn around.
Yo, you put me in here.
Turn around.
Put it down. Get down on your face.
Get
Down
on
on your face. Down on your face.
Yeah, go.
Get on your face.
Get on your face, do it now.
Behind your back. Do not move. Do not reach. Do not move. Go outside the car.
Who else is in the car?
Nobody.
Get up. Are you good?
I'm not see, but we're good.
Alright. I just want to make sure you're good. That's my biggest concern.
I need to go to the hospital.
Is there anybody in the car?
No, sir.
The child was safely recovered and reunited with his family following the stop. The suspect was arrested and faces multiple serious charges, including kidnapping, aggravated child abuse, robbery with a weapon, and resisting law enforcement. Authorities said he also attempted to flee during the stop and tried to interfere with officers. A 15-year-old involved in the incident was also taken into custody and faces several charges related to fleeing and other offenses. Reports indicate the suspect is being held without bond following the additional charges. The investigation remains ongoing as officials continue to review the case.
1026. Can you show me how this is me? 10-4.
Officer 215. Nice. Officer 215. 65427. 10-4, God. 10-48. 10-4. Alpha 215. Alpha 215. 10-4-27 comes back. Valid Class A CDL. Motorcycle also. Restriction B. Bravo corrective lenses. So far. Over. Subject is showing as a sexual offender, not wanted, as well as Florida inmate release status, reference original offense, false imprisonment. 10-54-29P. 10-4. Alpha 214 Flagler.
Alpha 214.
Can we get a supervisor out?
10-4. Alpha 210, are you able to respond? Very well. Sorry, all units 10-3 given. 214, what was your last?
I just forgot the white truck.
Subject is just across from the truck. Lieutenant advised on charges.
Multiple kidnapping charges.
Possible kidnapping charges.